Sometimes Android web view does not fit on Android screen perfectly, and different solutions work for different people. The solution I have tried that has really worked for me, I'm sharing with you guys. It may help you too. So what you have to do, you just need to open your activity underscore main.xml file, and in Android web view you will see here layout width and layout height. Just change it to match underscore parent, that's it, and height to parent. Perfect. So now whatever mobile you have, Android web view will fit according to its width and height. So that was a solution that has worked for me. I have shared with you guys. If it helps you, tell me in comment. Thank you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.